So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to report a post in TikTok. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your TikTok account, and scroll down and found a post like this. Then tap on share button, which is available on the lower corner of right side. Then you can simply see the option of report on the left side of your screen. So tap on it. Now choose a reason why you want to report this post. So I am tapping on misinformation. Now again tap on a reason, then tap on submit. Now tap on done, and that's it. You have successfully shared or report post on TikTok, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.